Hello there, this is Crazy Cajun with MissAtler.com. April and the two girls can't be here right now. They're tied up with some other Miss Atler projects. But what we're going to do is we're going to try to show really quickly how to clean a synthetic wig. These instructions were provided by Lawrence Yates with LNY Wig and Hair Boutique in Alpharetta, Georgia. And what we're going to do is we're going to fill this lavatory with about a gallon, maybe a little less, of just cool water. Or some people may say lukewarm. And we're going to put in it about 1/8 of a cup of Woolite fabric detergent. Actually, you can use a little less. Depends on how dirty the wig is, but Woolite is very, very good detergent for delicate fabrics. And we're going to agitate the wig. We don't want to twist it. We just want to agitate it very gently. And you can see the water change colors depending on how dirty the wig is. This one really isn't very dirty. April tends to keep her wigs in very good shape. But you agitate it until you believe you've got it as clean as you can get it. And we're going to drain the water out. And we're going to just squeeze some of the detergent and water out. We're going to run clear water and rinse the wig. We may put some in the lavatory. And again, just gently agitate it. You don't want to twist it. That'll twist up the fibers. Just a very gentle back and forth agitation is all that it takes. And again, drain the water. Wring the wig out. Now, we're again going to, about a gallon or so, and we're going to use our favorite fabric softener. Doesn't have to be a special kind. I like this for the lavender scent, and it works real well. And again, just cool or lukewarm is all that you want it. Do not use hot water. Now this, if you really want, you can let the wig soak for 15-20 minutes. And the fabric softener will relax the fibers in the wig, making them very, very soft. It'll also help to detangle the wig, and it will do a very, very good job of making it somewhat static resistant, which is always good on synthetic wigs. They seem to build a lot of static. Like I say, you can let it soak. Then we want to again squeeze the water out Now with the fabric softener, you don't have to be as thorough as with the detergent as far as getting it out. And again, if you notice, I'm not twisting the wig at all. I'm simply squeezing it to get what water I can out. But you really don't want to twist it. If you twist it, you will break the fibers. And you sure don't want to do that. After getting all of the water out that you can, place it in a clean towel and roll it. Roll the towel around it. And again, you want to squeeze. Do not twist. That will break the fibers. And you do this several times, getting the wig as dry as you can. Once you have the wig as dry as you can get it, you can very easily kind of loosen it up, pass your fingers through it a little bit, and let it dry. I don't normally try to brush it while it's wet. What I normally do is simply passing my fingers through it. That gets most of any knots out. I let the wig dry pretty good, and then I brush it. When you brush a wig, whether it be synthetic fiber or real hair, start at the bottom and work your way up. That way you don't pull the fibers out of the wig. And do not get rough. Take your time. As you can see, the fabric softener relaxes the fibers, so anything comes out of it very easily. And that's it. Just let it dry and then brush it with a good quality brush. Use a wig brush or a good rounded tip brush, sort of like this. Don't use a pointed brush or a stiff brush. And as you can see, even though this wig is wet, it still brushes through pretty easily. And that's all there is to it. Just simply let it dry and it'll be as good as new. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget that like button. Thank you again. Bye-bye till next time.